Thank you for showing so much interest in tapping into your God gifted powers. So far in the Psychic Development series, I have explained about what is intuition, how to tap into your powers, what are psychic senses. I helped you identify your psychic strength through a quiz. Thank you for all your feedback, and I'm glad you guys are asking questions about intuitions and clearing your doubts about this psychic gift. Our minds are like parachutes, they only function when they are open. Take an open minded approach while going through this intuitive series. Be an active learner and complete your assignment, share and ask more and more questions. Hope you have received your answers to your satisfaction. If you have missed any videos, the link is in the I button and I've also shared all the video links in the description below. Today, it is the time for some clearing process. And for those who are here for the first time, I'm Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer, author and a therapist. Before we dive into this clearing process, let us understand why such processes are needed and how it is going to help you and benefit you. A process which will clean your internal body, which can also help you heal yourself. It also cleans your aura, the energy field all around you. So whenever you're moving around, whenever you're going around anywhere, you tend to absorb a lot of energy from the environment, contaminating your aura. So this white light process, this white light energy is going to help you clear from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. In the upcoming session, I will also show you how this same white light meditation, you can sense your individual parts of the body, understanding whether it's relaxed, whether it's tense. We will also be learning healing process through this white light, where when you take in the white light, you are able to release the pain, heal your dead part of the body which is disturbing you and you're not able to function well. So though this process looks very simple, it is yet very effective. And once you start doing this, I would request you to do it every single day. Everything is made of energy and has its own unique vibrations, including you. Everything is in a constant state of receiving and radiating energy. The frequency of this energy can be light or it can be dark. The light energy is infinite, effortless and rooted in love. Whereas the dark energy, the upper energy is dense and rooted in fear. So you attract all your experiences that matches your frequency. Now how do you know what frequency you are vibrating at? It's a practical approach done in my Psychic Intuitive Training, the complete course on developing your intuitive powers. Those who resonate with this learning, do join me in. Here in this Psychic Development series, I will try and simplify it as much as I can. But definitely, there is a limitation to it and I hope you will understand. You may sense this energy by seeing colors or hearing sounds, or you may just know it based on your psychic strength. If you pause before you think, speak or act, you can usually sense whether you are in doubt or you are insecure. And you will also know when you are coming from a place of truth, creativity and love. Every time you face a difficult challenge, conflict or decisions, you are in the presence of a dense vibrational energy. At this moment, you have a choice about how you want to respond. The goal of the energy clearing process is indeed to align you with the vibration of your individual soul and to connect you with the divine God. One effective way to work with energy, and my favorite is 3 aligning breath, which aligns your body, mind and soul. We shall be doing that today, so stay tuned. And we will also be doing white light meditation that clears energy through your chakras. Are you excited? Lovely. According to ancient wisdom, chakras are energy centers located in a subtle or energetic body. This energy clearing process brings the mind, body, and emotions into attunement with the soul, restoring balance within the system, clearing dense energy and connecting with the source energy, sharpens our intuition and clarity so that we can use our own inner guide to answer important questions. You live your life through the voice of your soul. Much as we need physical exercise regularly for our body, the energy clearing process is absolutely necessary for our soul, something we would all benefit from incorporating into our daily spiritual practice. And it hardly takes 5 minutes of your time. There are many different ways to clear the energy which I taught in my intuitive training, but for the benefit of all, sharing this one simple and easy technique here. Understand this clearly that you don't need a quiet room or tranquil space for any clearing process. It can be done at any time, in a meeting, on the train, in line at the market, and even during a heated conversation. What you need is just 5 minutes a day. This is a beautiful energy clearing meditation that will help you to open up to your own intuitive powers. So let's take a moment and create a sacred space and align your body, mind, and soul first with my aligning breath technique to tap into your intuitive powers. Let go of any distraction around. Close other gadgets if any. Do not listen to this while driving or operating heavy machinery. So if you are ready and if you would like to do it together, then just sit back, close your eyes as I guide you through this clearing process. Open yourself for this lovely experience. Just relax. You can close your eyes if you are comfortable doing that. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, repeat the word relax, relax, relax 3 times in your mind. And this process needs to be repeated 3 times. And this 3 aligning breath will align your body, mind, and soul. So let's do it together. Take a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Once again, taking a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Once again, taking a deep breath in. Slowly breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Return your breathing to normal level. And now I want you to imagine or visualize a beautiful white light coming from the universe just above your head. Allow this energy to enter your physical body. This is the clearing energy, the cleansing energy, which will help you to clean up all your 7 chakras, your energy field, your aura. So allow this energy to come into your body now. As if you are scanning your body through this energy. So scan your forehead and allow the energies to move down into your face. Allow these energies to move down into your throat, your shoulders, your arms, your forearms, your wrist, your palm, your fingers. Moving back into your shoulders and the energy going down into your heart, going down into your abdomen, moving down into your hips, moving down into your thighs, your knees, your calf muscles, your ankle, your feet, and down into the Mother Earth. Imagine or visualize roots coming out of your feet now. This is a very important process in this meditation where you are grounding your energy. Allow the roots to go very, very deep. The deeper the roots grow, the stronger you become. These roots are taking away all the things which does not belong to you or which are not for your highest good. Your entire body had a clearing from the top of your head to the tip of your toes. And now the energies are going down into Mother Earth for clearing and transmutation. Once the clearing is done, bring back the energy back into your feet. The way trees absorbs water from the roots up into their branches and trees and leaves, you bring in the energy from the Mother Earth back into your feet, your ankle, your calf muscles, your knees, your thighs, up into your hips. And now focus your attention on your root chakra. This chakra is connected from the base of your spine to your crown chakra on the top of your head. Just allow the energies to move up through your chakras. Root chakra, sacral chakra, solar plexus chakra, heart chakra, throat chakra, third eye chakra, and your crown chakra. Now take your consciousness above your crown, above your head, 14 inches above your head, and imagine you are covering your entire physical body with this beautiful white light. This also acts like a divine protective shield, clearing your aura completely. Once you have created this ball of energy, bring your attention and settle down in your heart chakra. And here I am going to give special affirmation for helping you to tap into your intuitive powers. You need to say yes to receive and activate your powers. Dear the Divine, please wrap all those who are in this clearing process now in your love and protection. Yes, yes, yes. Allow them to tap into the highest frequency, to listen to their inner voice available to them today. Yes, yes, yes. Please guide them to the deepest truth that they can access now. Yes, yes, yes. Support them in healing and releasing that which no longer serves them on their true path. Yes, yes, yes. With this, I give great thanks for your divine love and support on this intuitive journey. Be in this state for some time. Now, as and when you feel comfortable, you may slowly and gradually open your eyes, feeling better than before, feeling rejuvenated, feeling energized. Divine gratitude, divine gratitude, divine gratitude. How do you feel? Are you feeling lighter? Did you feel the relaxation and peace in your body? Great. This is the feedback I always get from my participant. Though this looks very simple, yet this is a powerful aligning process to begin tapping into your intuitive powers. So far you have learned in this psychic development series what is intuition, what are psychic senses, we identified your psychic strength, and we also aligned your body, mind and soul. All video links in the description if you have missed any. Now onwards, I will guide you about the power centers known as chakras responsible for these senses and intuition. Watch the upcoming video series on various chakras to open your senses and get the most out of your powers. Please let me know what are your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. So now we are all ready to do some work with new tools and get new information and release some old energy that no longer serves you. Hope you loved this as much as I did. Do share with your family and friends. If you have learned something new today, you can subscribe to my channel if you find my videos worth it. But even if you don't, thank you so much for watching this one. Please take care of yourself and those around you. Till we meet next, light and fragrance to all of you.